Hi folks, let's draw that crazy looking magpie from K-pop Demon Hunters, Sussie. Okay guys, so with this one, I'm going to start with a line slightly to the left hand side of the paper. We're going to bring a line across just like that, at an angle. And then we're going to do another one but slightly curved lower. So curve lower like that. And then we're going to do another one slightly straighter, going across and then all the way across the other side of your paper and stop like that. Now we're going to bring another one across just like that and another one across like that. Like I say, pause if you need to guys, as always. Across like that and then another one across like that. Now we're going to bring two lines going up to make the side of that hat. So we're going to go up and then up like that. And then across like that. Now let's curve this line around the bottom here, around like that. And then we're going to go down a slight angle on that side. Now where this curve's come round here, I'm going to bring it straight down like this. So I'm going to go down like that. And follow this one down, curving ever so slightly that way, like that. Now what I'm going to do is curve this line up and over like this. So we're going to go up that way and then down there like that. I get told off for going too fast, so like I say, please feel free to pause. And then we're going to curve another line going round here to make a sort of squashed circle. So we're going to go round and up. And then we're going to measure 3 lines. So I'm going to do one straight line there, one straight line there, and one straight line there to make the tops of the eyes. Then I'm going to go round, round and round. I quite like the moody half open eye he has sometimes, or she has, I'm not sure if it's he or she, apologies. And then we're going to do a little pupil inside, so a small curved line there, small curved line there, and small one there. And then once we've got that, we're going to do, let's start with this bit. So we've got a line that joins on this side as well. So we're going to go around like that. And then we're going to do another circle inside this one. So we're going to go around just like that. And then you can do is thicken this one in, so we're going to go around again, or if you've got a thicker pen you can do it with a thicker pen. Like I've got ones I tend to use are these Tombow pens that have got big thick ends, so if you've got a thicker pen you can make a thick line like that, and then in the middle of that a solid circle. Now what we can do is we can bring a line up this end, so we're going to curve a line that way. And just join that together there. And then we're going to bring this line right to the edge. I've not lost a lot of room on mine, I'm not sure about yours, but there should be a little bit of room down there to bring this tail over and bring it to a point like that. Now what I'm going to do is there's 3 circles here. So 1, fill that in there. 2, just follow along that line. And another one just there. And then down here, this leg's going to come out. So we're going to join a line curving over like that. And a line curving down like that. I'm just going to thicken those ones in and join that together. I'll put a couple of claws in here, so hook line like that, a hook like this, and just going slightly back on the back of the foot there. I can put a couple of hints of other ones on that side. Now I've got those, I'm going to just darken it in to see the final effect. So if you've got a big thick pen, or you may want to colour it in with paints or whatever, or even Photoshop, or like I've just started using the iPad Pro and Procreate. Whichever way you want to shade it in, we're going to fill in all these black bits. So the hat's like that, and then we're going to do that nose, beak, sorry, not nose. Careful not to go over those eyes. And slowly it starts to come together once you put these dark patches on. Takes a little bit of time. But it does sort of finish that effect. And then again on the tail here. Like that. Okay, so that fills in that black part. Now just to finish this off, there's a couple of little parts, so I think it's nice to add a few gentle sort of feather marks here and there just to finish it off, and then I thought it'd be nice to do a line down to these feet and going across, and then another one just coming around there going down. I'm going to hook that up like that, and then cover this in little rough lines to make a branch. I love drawing trees, so this is always fun to do. But that gives you a quick drawing of Sussie.